Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Adore Lyric. Thank you so much for coming by and clicking on this video, girl. I really appreciate you. So you clicked on this video for a reason. We're about to just get right into it because no one has time for all of this extraness. So I'm about to do a very quick and easy wash and go, you guys. It's gonna take me about 20 minutes each, and I actually came across this when I did my hair like before work one day, and it only took me 20 minutes. And normally whenever I do my wash and goes, it normally takes me at least like 40 to 45 minutes. So I was like, oh, I got this done really quick, let me put everybody on. So I did not wash my hair, but my hair is in this towel because I did wet my hair, because I find that whenever you do wash and goes, they are much better when your hair is wet. So I took a shower and I did my makeup. So my hair is like not super wet, but it's pretty wet, right? So I had my hair in like a protective style this week, and I just wore buns, or wore a bun. So when I did that, I didn't really need to, in my opinion, wash my hair again. So instead of me washing my hair, I'm gonna style my hair this week with just what I'm doing right now. So instead of me re-washing my hair, I was just like, well, let me wet it, just because I know that washing goes are a little bit better whenever you wet their hair, when you wet your hair, opposed to doing it on dry hair. So that's what we're about to do right now. So my hair was pretty moisturized all week long. I didn't really need to do too much. And off into 4 sections, and you should have some clips when you're doing this step, or like some scrunchies or something. I'm going to be using both scrunchies and clips. So my hair is like pretty detangled. I did not detangle it yet, but when it was in that bun, it was just fine. So I'm using like these scrunchies just to do that, and I'm sectioning off one in the front, one in the back. Then so I'm gonna bust down this, and I got one right here. Last one. This is what we're looking like right now. So you have your hair sectioned off into 4 parts. I typically start in the back, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna split each puff ball per se into 2 parts, and then that's it. So I'm gonna do my normal wash and go. I'm gonna rake the product in, and I'm gonna be using the Extreme Wet Line Gel as well as the Eden Nourishing Curl Jam. This is literally my shit. Like, I literally love this stuff. I'm probably gonna get more today when I go to Target. But yeah, so let's just go ahead. I'm gonna start with the back. I do have a spray bottle of water, and I have a spray bottle of aloe vera juice. So I'll probably just go ahead and walk you guys through the first section so that you can see it. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go into this section right here. We're gonna just take this out. Very simple. You can refresh your hair or re-spritz your hair with some water if it kind of dried up a little. I normally go in with some aloe vera juice again. This is just completely optional. This like spray bottle is literally hit or miss. I've been trying so hard, and it just does not do the same at all. Like, that dollar thing makes me mad every time. So now I'm just trying to make sure that I work in that water and that aloe vera juice by just literally rubbing it in, because I know that I have low porosity hair. So you gotta do a little extra, sis. You can't just spray and go. You gotta try new things. You gotta try working in there. So that's what I'm trying to do. Just trying to get some tension going so that that heat can get into my hair, and just rub it in. Next, I'm gonna go into with the curl jam very quickly, and I'm gonna take like a section about this amount, and then I'm gonna just put it all over this entire section. And this stuff smells so good, y'all. I promise you. It's like $10 or $11 at Target. Whew. So good. It smells like heaven. Alright, so same thing, rub it in. Make sure that the product gets distributed. Get your clips ready, because you're gonna section this section off into 2 parts, right in half. And you probably want to make sure that your hair needs to go. I live right in front of a dog park. And they need to take their dogs and get them. So now that you have this section, that's the only section you're gonna be worried about. This section is where you're gonna apply your gel. And I'm literally just going to put it on. Very simple. You can use as much or as less gel as you want. I tend to be heavier on the gel, but it's your prerogative. If you need to detangle, do that. But my hair is pretty detangled, but if I need to detangle a section, I'm just going to do that. And I'm just raking it through, just trying to make sure that the gel is covering each section of my hair. I'm looking in the mirror, by the way. So like you can already see my curls starting to form. If I want like a little bit more at the roots, you can apply more at the roots just to kind of have them lay flat, or dry flat I should say. So yeah, one section's done. Very simple, very simple, girl. We're gonna bust this other one out, literally doing the same thing, taking a nice amount of gel, slopping it on there, but making sure that every section gets the love that it needs, and repeat. This is like probably the laziest wash and go ever, but it gives you the same results in my opinion. So like as your hair gets more trained, the easier your wash and goes will become. Gel. You want to have your curls forming as you're doing this. Very simple. Alright y'all, so now let's go ahead into this section. We're gonna do the same kind of thing. Spray some water, aloe vera juice. Alright, I'm just gonna spray it in my hand because look how pathetic this is. It's so pretty and it's so pathetic. Eden. My hair is getting long, y'all. My back hurts. Look at them curls, y'all. Trust me, I'm getting y'all hip to some new stuff. So keep applying that gel till you feel like you don't need no more. You're literally just putting gel on your hair pretty much. And just like that, this side is done. One of the things that I've been doing to kind of, I don't know, just something that I've been doing, I've been clipping the front section because I always do a middle part. Feel free to disregard this, y'all. You don't have to do it, but I am. So I'm just gonna take one of like those duck bell clips and just clip this section down so that it stays pretty flat at the time once it dries. So as y'all can see, like I didn't really do too much. So much definition going on, and it literally took me like 7 minutes to do that, those two sections. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, y'all. Alright y'all, and just like that, we're done. So this is what we're looking like, y'all. And like I mentioned, I did not detangle anything. Like my hair, I guess pretty much was like already detangled because I had it in that bun. But truthfully, I don't think it's too like detangled, but I don't think it really needs to be for me. But yeah, so I'm just gonna find me another clip. My hands are filthy, by the way, but that's okay. I'm just gonna look for me another clip real quick to put at the front of my hair. I have so many clips in this bag, girl. All right, here's another one. So I'm just gonna pull up that and then lay it down. This is pretty much how my hair will look for the rest of today. I am going to likely stretch it out either later tonight or even tomorrow. But yeah, so this is everything, you guys. Like, I literally did this the time that I showed y'all, which pretty much was like 15 to 20 minutes. And yeah, I get the same results as if I were to like break them into smaller sections. But who has time for that? If you can do it quicker, why not, right? Yeah, so this is just the look that we're giving, girl. The look that I gave, you know. Sound like Rolling Ray, but I love my hair, y'all. This, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's just because my hair has been a lot more manageable now, where I can achieve something like this, or if it's just the products or a mixture of all of them together. I don't know, but I'm very, very happy that I tried this one morning before work and it worked out. If you're someone who does not want to like walk around with wet hair, you can obviously diffuse your hair and even stretch it, but it's the Sunday for me, so I'm not going anywhere. And honestly, I would go to work like this. If I needed to, I would just change these from like clips to like bobby pins, but I would literally walk around like this because I like when it air dries, because it still has like the same definition with no frizz. So yeah, so consider all of that. You can definitely stretch your hair out. I'll probably do that, but that'll be a different video for a different day. If you guys want to see that, let me know down below. But yeah, so this is how I achieve a very, very good wash and go with you know, very minimal time, very minimal effort. Very lazy of me to do it like this. If somebody's watching this, they're probably like, all she just did was just, you know, pretty much throw gel in her hair. But that's pretty much what a wash and go is in some cases, because I personally don't have the hair to do a wash and go without gel, so I have to do gel. So gel is definitely very important for my thick hair. But yeah, y'all, so that is it for this video. Let me know down below what you guys want to see more of. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, because I certainly did. It was very simple, very easy to achieve, and I hope that you guys all love it. And I hope that it helps you guys out a lot. I've been doing a lot more wash and goes nowadays opposed to twist outs, and I think that they may be taking the lead. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure that they are. But yeah, so thank you for watching this video. I hope that you guys all enjoy, and I will see you all in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all later. Bye.